Hey, short video today. Well, getting ready for a trip to a Coruna, Galician coast, Costa da Morte, Costa da. Anyway, here's some grills installed. Thank you, the retirement dude. That retirement dude. There, they did okay. These are from Zunsport, and didn't do the center one, but the outside center one's I think it's a fake back anyway. Might be only for a GT car that has an extra radiator in it, or a turbo. Anyway, there we go. This might be a good job for the WasteGate. All right, getting ready to go. Next week we'll do some kilometers. Yeah, we'll have bugs, we'll have rock chips, but hey, it's all good. Drive every day.